Reddit is dominating the Google search results for a large volume of keywords, and it has even managed to outrank the majority of niche websites. Have a look at their insane traffic growth in the last few months. So how can you utilize this to your own advantage? What's the right way to promote your website here? And more importantly, how do you prevent getting banned on this platform? In this video, I will give you the exact blueprint to make this happen. But first, we need to understand how Reddit is different from LinkedIn or Medium when it comes to Parasite SEO. You see, on LinkedIn or Medium or any other Web 2.0 platform, you would be publishing full-length posts in order to rank for that query. But Reddit, on the other side, is a discussion-oriented platform, and Google will only rank the threads it deems valuable. So instead of creating brand new threads, we will drop our comments in the ones that are already ranking in the search results. Let's take an example. If I type in best text editor for Mac, the first result is from Reddit, and you can see how people are recommending different products within comments. Now imagine if this were you promoting your own website or affiliate links. These threads get hundreds and even thousands of monthly organic visitors who can turn into paying customers. So let's break down the entire process step by step. First, we will look at the tools and setup required to execute this. Then, I'll show you the correct method to warm up your Reddit accounts, because you can't just start promoting your links right away. Next, we will find traffic generating threads to target. And after that, I'll show you what makes a perfect comment that doesn't feel like an obvious promotion. In the end, I'll give you some bonus tips to make the whole process much easier. Let's begin. Step 1. Tools and setup. We first need to set up our accounts in such a way that Reddit can't establish any connection between your two accounts. This is important because if one of your accounts get banned, others will still remain intact. We will need an anti-detect browser to begin with. It's a browser that lets you run multiple devices within a single PC. Essentially, this means that you can create an unlimited number of profiles, and each profile acts like a unique device on the web. I use AdsPower browser for this, but you can use any of your choice. Next, you need a unique proxy for each profile that you want to set up, because sharing the same IP on multiple accounts can also get you banned. There are different types of proxies available, but for Reddit, you just need a residential static proxy, ideally from the US. I get mine from pingproxies.com. Then finally, it's time to source the Reddit accounts. You can either create the accounts from scratch, or you can buy them from a marketplace like blackhatworld.com. I highly recommend that you start with at least 2 accounts so that you don't lose any momentum if one of them gets banned. Once you have everything in place, create a new browser profile for each account, add in the proxy details, and continue to log in. You might also see an error like this when visiting Reddit for the first time from a fresh profile. In that case, simply ignore the error and proceed to log in. Step 2 is warming up your Reddit accounts. Now, even though all your accounts are logged in, we can't start promoting just yet. Do 4 to 5 comments every day for a week or so, and then you are ready to start promoting. Step 3. Let's find the threads that are already generating a decent amount of organic traffic. I will be using Ahrefs for this, but you can also get similar results from SEMrush. So first, type in reddit.com in the site explorer. Go to organic keywords, position less than 6, and filter the results based on your industry. You can also filter down with buying intent keywords like best, buy, cheap, etc. Another option is to directly enter the URL of your subreddit and see which threads are ranking on the first page of Google. Some of these threads might be closed for new comments, but a lot of them will still be available. Step 4. Remember, the best marketing doesn't feel like marketing at all. You want to promote in such a way that it feels like you are genuinely helping. Let's look at a few examples that do a really good job at this. So you get the idea. Now that you have the whole process dialed in, it's simply a matter of scaling up. Once you have already commented in a thread, you can buy upvotes so that your message gets to the top of the page. There are a lot of SMM panels that sell these kinds of upvote services. But use this very cautiously, as this might alert the moderators of the subreddit. The second tip is to keep a healthy balance of promotional and non-promotional comments, because posting links attracts attention from the moderators. But if you have a decent amount of regular comments, you are less likely to get banned. The third tip is to never log into an account from anywhere other than its dedicated browser profile, having the same proxy that you used previously. In case you need to share the account's access with someone else, you can directly add them to the browser. Sometimes, out of nowhere, Reddit will suspend your account and ask for a password reset via email. That's why you should always have access to the emails attached to your Reddit accounts. I hope this video points you in the right direction. If you have any other queries, drop them in the comments below.